Clean visuals always look expensive because nothing feels out of place. Today, how to design polished visual layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert a main frame slightly off-center and place your primary image inside, adjusting it carefully for composition. Add 1 or 2 supporting frames nearby to build structure. Select the background and apply a soft neutral or premium gradient tone. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle layered depth. Add thin border accents or line elements with low opacity for refinement. Use position tools to align everything precisely while maintaining breathing room.